Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen channel. So today we're gonna make some Nyamachoma the easiest and tasty way. So in a bowl you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste each. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of grounded chili, some black pepper, some nutmeg optional, and some salt, with lastly some olive oil. Mix everything until everything is nicely well cooperated. Oh yes, look how that marination turned out. Like this marination is so giving. Definitely the meat is gonna be so tasty. So I'm gonna use some lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you prefer. Then put the spices and then mix the meat with the spices until nicely mixed. Then you're going to put it aside to let it marinate for 30 minutes. Or if you don't have time, you can just grill or choma your nyamachoma immediately. So for us today, we're not gonna be doing a barbecue or using an oven. We're gonna be using an air fryer. So you're gonna place your meat and you're going to put it at 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until the meat is nicely super tender. So while our meat is in the air fryer, we're going to make a super easy sauce. You're going to need some tamarind sauce, a bit, grounded chili, a teaspoon of honey, some Tabasco, and a bit of olive oil. Mix, and your sauce is ready to be drizzled into that Nyamachoma. Oh yes, our sauce is ready. You definitely need to make this sauce because you'll be licking your finger the entire time. And after 40 minutes, our nyamachoma is ready. Put it in a bowl and then drizzle that sauce. Oh my god, like this nyamachoma was absolutely delicious. It's a 10 out of 10. Take a plate and then serve your nyamachoma. You can eat it with some fries, some potatoes, some ugali, or anything that you like. You're definitely gonna enjoy it. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how super soft this nyamachoma it is. Look at that. Oh my god. Thank you for watching my video and hope you've enjoyed this recipe. And if you've enjoyed, please can you give this video a big thumbs up, share, and see you next time. Doo-doo.